Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today the recipe that I'm sharing with you all is my okra curry. It's a dry fried curry recipe and the best part of this is it's ready in 30 minutes. Okra is also known as bhindi and ladyfingers. So let me run through the ingredients quickly and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need are half a kg of okra, which I've washed and cut into 1-inch pieces. I've got 2 large onions, which I've sliced, 4 fresh tomatoes, which I've chopped, 4 tablespoons of oil. I've got a teaspoon of the following spices: salt, chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and cumin seeds. We're also going to add the juice of half a lemon, and I've got 2 green chillies which I've sliced finely. These are optional, so let's start cooking. So first of all, get the pan nice and hot and then straight in with the oil. And just let that heat up. And then we're going to throw in the cumin seeds and just fry them for about 30 seconds. And that just helps them to release the flavour into the oil. And then straight in with the onions. And we want to cook these until they're nice and soft. We don't want any colour on the onions, so it'll take about 5 to 6 minutes. So the onions are now ready, they're really nice and soft, and we can add the rest of the ingredients in. So straight in with the tomatoes. And then the salt, the turmeric, the chilli powder, and the coriander powder. And just give that a quick mix. And we're going to allow the tomatoes to soften up. So just lower the gas a little and then pop the lid on and just let them sweat now for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and check that and see how that's looking. So just coming back to check on this, it's been about 5 minutes it's been cooking away. The tomatoes are softening up really nicely, and now we're going to cook this without the lid on for a further 5 minutes, and I'm just going to turn the heat up a little. So this has been cooking away now for 5 minutes. We can now add the okra straight into this. And you want to cook this until the slime from the okra totally disappears. So as you can see, it's getting really sticky and slimy, but just continue to cook that and that will disappear. And whilst that's cooking away, I'm going to add the lemon juice in, so just squeeze that in just like that. And that just gives it a really nice extra depth of flavour. So guys, this has been cooking away now and the slimy stickiness has completely gone, and I'm just going to add the final ingredient into this, which is the chillies, and just cook them for about 2 minutes And then what we're going to do is we're going to pop the lid on, lower the hob settings to a low heat, and we're going to let that steam for about 5 minutes until the okra is nice and tender. And I'll show you how that looks once it's done. Right, it's been 5 minutes this has been cooking away. So just give it a stir. It smells amazing. Just turn the gas off. And there you have it, guys, my okra curry ready in 30 minutes. Let me plate this up and tell you exactly how it is. Right, guys, I'm going to tuck into this now and tell you exactly how it is. Oops. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, it's spicy. Ooh. The okra is cooked to perfection, just how I like it. Slightly crunchy, perfect. The onions against that, oh my God, amazing. And the spice, obviously, I can feel it in my mouth, but I like it like that. These are perfect with homemade fluffy chapatis. If you've liked what you've seen today, guys, and you want to see more of these recipes, which are quick and easy, made within 30 minutes, then drop me a message in the comments below and I'll try to do my best to make more videos like this. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then get over there now and do that. And hit that bell button to be notified of any updates. I'll be back again with a new video very soon. Till then, take care and happy eating.